Hi everyone, I'm Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So without any delay, let's get started today's session. So today, friend, I just want to share one thing. If you are not find environment to speak English, then it's your responsibility to make environment for yourself. Okay, if you are waiting for right time, then right time never comes. You will have to take a step for making a right time and for changing your life. You will have to take decision. Okay, so just keep this in your mind. After that, if you are doing this thing, then I'm sure you can do anything in your life. If you are thinking something big, then you can definitely do that things. So everyone have power to do anything in their life. Just you have to patience and strong desire, and hard work is also important. Hard work and smart work is also very important. If this thing in you, then you can easily do anything in your life. So speaking part is just it's very little things you can speak easily. It's just want daily practice. If you are practicing, then you can easily speak English. I always share that English want just practice. If you are practicing, if you have knowledge about tenses, modals, then you can easily speak. Okay, if you are practicing on daily basis, I know everyone know spoken, like basic knowledge of grammars like tenses, modals, and some common vocabulary. Then by the help of we can easily speak. Only one thing is important in spoken part is practicing, and we will have to um, very friendly to speak English in front of anyone. If you are doing this thing, then you can easily speak. In starting, just to keep one things in your mind, don't think about right and wrong things. In starting, no doubt you are making a lot of mistake, but it's also very true. After a time, your mistake is reduced because of you are practicing. So you are unique people, you can do anything. So never hesitate in front of anyone. Just think one thing in your mind, like uh, what are you want to share with you with people. They don't know about this thing. You are a professor, you are a scientist on this field. Only you know that things. If you are thinking like that, then you can easily do anything in your life. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. I will meet you in next video. Then bye bye everyone. I will meet you in next video.